Hi guys, welcome to my house vlog. So today I'll be unboxing everything I got so far for my kitchen. So let's get right into it. First off is mega crusher from Senate. I just had to use scissors to cut that open. Okay. Wow. It's two in here. Please pardon the noise in the background. I have some people working here. The main one. So the next is Nato. And please let me put it out there. I am not affiliated with any of these brands. These are products that I bought for myself and I'm making this unboxing video. So I wasn't paid for this. This is Binaton toaster. Yeah. Super cute. So fine. So fine. So on to the next. And next is Hisense microwave. Woo! This is quite heavy. This is the 20-liter microwave oven. So okay. Yep. Oh wow. Sorry. Okay. I had to cut out the carton so it will be easier for me to bring it out. Oh. Ooh. Okay. This is really cute, right? Got it. That's touch button. And please, like I said, I'm not affiliated with any of these brands at all. So this is not a promotional video. And the last but not the least for today is Hisense air fryer. So let's unbox. Ooh. You see this gris sound, it's so satisfying. See this gris unboxing. Very, very satisfying. Alright. Here we go. So they actually doubled the carton, so I had to bring it out. Look at it, so pretty. And like I said, please pardon the background noise as if I'm sweating, but they're fixing the AC. So, guys, take a look at this beauty. So beautiful. One here, so I'll fix it up when I'm done. So for now, these are the things I got for the kitchen for now. So thank you for watching. See ya.